This is like MTV Chris, so like, welcome to my fridge. This is like MTV Chris, so like, welcome to my fridge. But this is just a lot of drinks for everybody. Whatever you might like. What do I want to drink? This is, no, I'm actually not gonna show you guys this. You have to blur that out because this is my favorite drink and it's really hard to find. It's always sold out, so I can't show you guys.
This is my refrigerator freezer situation. Show you the difference there. This might be where I'm at most of the time. This is just my drink fridge. All my kids use a different kind of milk, you guys. My fresh juices, fresh water. That's all that's in this fridge. I have a walk-in refrigerator where we keep all of our fresh organic produce. We are building on the property all organic trees to grow our own vegetables and do all of our own stuff. So this, all of our meals, you guys know I eat plant-based now. So all of our stuff is in here. Then if you want a little more chaos with tons of oat milk and almond milk, you have this refrigerator.
Literally, this is not staged, you guys. Like, I am slightly concerned about what's in here. This is almond milk, unsweetened. This is what Israel uses for his coffee every single day.